What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we got a F150 single cab from down south at Rob's Customs for a brand new sunroof install. We're going to be doing black suede on the headliner, painting the little plastics black so they can match, and we'll spray the visors black so everything blends in, looks real good. This is a nice little F150 lifted. Usually I don't do these F150s. They're not as popular as the Chevys, pretty much. I've done one in the past. This is probably like my second one, well, actually my third one, but I don't get them left and right like the Chevys. Let's check it out. Check it out, guys. This thing's clean. F150. Damn it, boy. Clean F-150. Does have a nice custom center console. We're gonna be swapping this out with some black suede. We'll paint these clips, the little mic deal there, and that, and then we'll spray these black and go with some black suede. It's gonna look real good. All right, guys, another one. Let's get it. Check it out, guys. First cut out, ready for sunroof. Prepping the sunroof, putting the seal around the edges, and then we'll go ahead and install it. Check it out, guys. We got the headliner done. Black suede. Blacked out the plastics. Sunroof's installed. Check it out. We're gonna go ahead and install the headliner, wrap everything together. Should be done. Alright, guys, here she is. Check it out. Clean. Look at that. Nice and clean, blacked out. Sunshade. Close it up. Open it up. Soft touch. Open up the sunshade. Adjusting in the back. Should be good. Nice.